My husband supposed to mad me. Then him for mad me, that's why I'm married to him. Yeah, I'm supposed to frighten over him, bawl for him, cuss for him, obsess over him, care about him. It's my husband.
Jano Star, Queenie and he's in a wagwan. Welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV. I want to depan. Yo, Dovy Magnum, they Queenie some encouragement. You see it, and I talk up some things about fear past and our relationship and everything. You see it. You don't know we're a good sister than give her other sister encouragement and about to bring her down. You see it. Make sure you have some more confidence. So if you're new around here, remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV. And if it's a returning viewers, you don't know the rule already. Drop a comment before you go and like up a video and share out the video. You see it. Just speak up your mind about anything what they say in the video. You don't know. Everybody have their own opinion. You see me, man, and to judge the video. You see it. Alright.
Me dey New York right now. Me dey on the plane and me hear them talk about Dewey.
Yeah.
Everywhere me go, I do
Everywhere me go, there's a
Listen to me.
truth.
Me can't wait for you start print shirt. Them was say Dewey, can me fuss buy one. Listen.
Everywhere me go, them just a shout out, do it.
Yes, when Dewey drop, me not care about nobody what them have to say. Yes, when Dewey drop, me as bad. Everything about it, everything you go through, everything you all love. We love it. We can't wait for you drop. We think
Oh God, that's true, Dovy, that's true. I'm not even want to start crying because the song make
Don't
at a
cry.
time when that's true. That's why the
Listen.
song sweet, so you know. My
Me know
voice
why
at
make
the
at a
tear
time
when
because
me up on the live, you know. I'm at my last point tonight when me left the live, you know. I'm a reach at Sikaram now and Sikaram said to me say, Mama, everywhere you go them up and do it. And people until they
yes.
stop calling me. I say, I done me come for done do it. And Sikaram said, no, Mama. He
Yes.
says for the
And
love you have to do, Mama.
nothing wrong.
I
Nothing
just
wrong
start
doing
laugh.
everything what you do. Nothing
I
wrong with
true
what you
love
do. Listen
it.
to me.
Listen to
Me
my
love it.
voice.
Me love it. You relax and whoever
Me
take
no
the
know what do with it
vocal.
when I sing this now. Me no know what do with it when I sing this now. Do
No
it,
worry
do
about
it,
that.
do it, do it. Everywhere me go, they just do it.
Remember, say
One
me
man
wait to
to
go
me
for the
good it.
remix, you know.
Four. No girl
Listen,
can style me style.
Queenie,
Ooh.
Queenie, listen to me. You're coming just like a me. Not for my song them when me sing them song, but me feel in a them song them.
Yes. The
You understand me?
passion.
I have a song name. I have a song name Feelings. And I true me no want jeopardize who the song they build for and make show you my bad. The same boy when we did all in love with that all of that, the boy make me sing about feelings. The song when me I say the song will say, I'm in my feelings. I girl them. You can't take me for
Yeah.
idiot, no. So you want me be your girlfriend. You have to tell me the truth right now. If you want your girl still in her dealings, stop feelings. You tell me lie, no, me like you know, me
Yeah.
want fight to become a feelings. It was a real ass song. I felt it to my core. Even if I listen to the song, me did a
Yes. You
ball
sing
because
it from your guts. Yes.
when you're
Let
in
me
love and a
feel
boy
love
make you
you.
cry and go so. Yes, when a boy make you cry and go so, you see anything
Yeah.
your ball and
When you
go
have
so,
hiccup,
you know you
when you have
really did
hiccup,
love the boy.
when you
Yes,
have hiccup,
you
when you
did love
cry
it.
and get hiccup.
You did love it, Tilly. You love it, Tilly. So at
But
the end
I
of the
think
day,
we are,
understand.
listen, we all as girls, when a relationship, we all cry and get hurt. Don't mind them. Them can't trick me and
And
style
Queenie,
out.
no, me
No, no
put
girl
me up
can
in a
style me.
this is what people need to understand too. And I had this conversation today with somebody. Not because you say you're okay, you're a big woman now. We all know that you're a grandmother.
Yeah,
We
true
all
me
know
at
that.
52, yeah. And
Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on. Me not call no age. Because me, a young
yeah,
girl, and if you tell us me soon be grandmother, would laugh after me, right?
yeah.
Alright, come have a 19-year-old
That doesn't
son.
make a right. And in my drop
Listen to me
juice.
I say. Listen to me I say. No, you may not experience what you experience now with this man Dewey. Even although, yes, you've been through relationship, Yes, you have kids, all of that. Yeah, you love man, yeah, you this and that. But you see that experience of what you get with this man is a different experience. So what you feel, how you feel. Like me tell Dewey, when you and Queenie good, we are you good. And when you and Queenie not good, sir, we don't like you. And that are just facts.
Same
We
way,
love you
truth, and
now.
that you tell him the
We
truth
love
and the
you
logic.
now. We love you now and everything. And we ask you, please just do right by the queen. We understand the ups and downs is going to be there. So we're not going to bash you like you're the worst. Because enough man,
Yes.
and I never mind, man, I'm going to take them back. And enough of we forgive enough, man. Enough of we walk. We're not even make you feel like how do we
Thank
ever
you,
make you
truth.
feel. So everybody
Yeah.
have their purpose in life for them do. Enough girl take back the man, them and hide them. You never did have to hide
Yes,
him.
Dovy. Truth, and my
Enough of them for the
husband
life
that.
right now. Right now, I blow
Yeah.
ear in enough. Hide from them friend
Thank
and all
you.
of that because they have the strength and courage to say them forgive and
Truth.
put down certain things. So when you are
Truth.
not feel shame about it nor nothing. You see that thing you call feelings and
It
love,
is.
they have that for somebody, no matter what.
Yeah.
And when time you look at disgrace to we, it don't look at love. We make out of the sun. And love also
Remember,
will bring you right back together. Good part about
every
it,
man where you take is
you know it's back together.
every man where you take is a different experience. Me nah look upon them.
Every
Man, let me
man.
climb all 2 story building in my life. I take rubbish pan, put on top of rubbish pan, go peep. I want me see what's on the girl. What's the jail?
Exactly. So what I'm
Listen,
saying,
me not come for
live your
internet
life.
them time that years ago that Dovey. So when me hear some girl at time, I say what to them. Them know when man hurt you, you feel like fool. And you put me possibly I put on all your black food. And you stay so you have to eat. I eat that them take me for. You walk all the whole
Queenie,
night cannot find them.
Queenie, right now, me can I put them in the plane and speak to this girl from the UK. I'm gonna show you this. I'm not afraid for talk. I want all of my fans them here. Because I've grown a lot mentally. Grow.
Tamika.
Meaning
Yeah.
I grow differently. I remember
Yeah.
me not attracted to a single man or what, but in my life over the years, if I meet a man,
Yeah.
him always either married or have a woman. And me we accept the fact that we want to still deal with him too. Me fall in love with people, husband, fall in love with people, baby. Then when I look into myself, what I want from different things, when I see other woman experience and have, I can't build with a next girl husband. I can't build with a next girl baby father. I say I want my own man for build with. I want to remember hungry story. I want to remember story when him do things that will build past that and
Yeah,
grow
I
and
heard them
build
there.
up.
It's cool. Yeah.
So me
Sir, I'm
said to
listening.
myself, if I am going to say go now, I want everybody when I know say we are build from scratch and we are
Sure.
build.
Thank you.
Listen, I can't anybody, any boy.
You
I
are
get back
comfortable, you can build with that person, move on free with that person, not for wonder who I go see and snap you. All of
yeah,
them things
Queenie.
there.
Yeah, Queenie. Yeah,
Yes.
Queenie. I remember something is this. What I tell myself, me want to talk to a guy and date
Yeah,
somebody
pull up, pull
where
up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Wait now, Dovey, man. Calm down, Dovey. What are you about that?
and some start pray differently. Some start pray for
Yeah.
God send one command. Me not even want him not have to establish. Let me tell him I mean by that. He doesn't have to be established because me
That
myself,
companion.
I'm
It's just a
trying.
companionship. It's a
No,
companionship, yeah.
I'm trying to establish myself even more where I need help in other areas. No, if the two we can build from something where my growth me and help me for the certain things where my man,
Truth.
not talk connect to that baby father. I am willing to work
Truth.
out things together because the two and we're gonna enjoy each other because guess what? We're gonna remember the days when we pay the bill or maybe give mommy this, mommy that, and then with the
We
kind of
want
hungry
to
and them
bank
food like
together, bank
noodles.
together, bank together.
Thank you.
Yes.
I can't build with a next
Yes.
girl husband or a next girl baby father.
Truth. It's
So at the
truth.
end
And
of
that's
the
the
day,
truth. Yes. A lot of
that's
that
why I
is
say,
say,
Queenie, You have
It
to live
don't
your
give you a
life
stable.
and
It
have
don't give you a
experience.
stable journey. It make you don't have a
It
stable
doesn't.
journey because if you invest, say you're gonna give the man 1 5 grand, and him gonna give you 5 grand, and it come together and it's 10 grand. In the back of your mind, you say, but him and Queenie married. Queenie gonna name out him money. Queenie gonna take him money, go buy plane ticket. So you don't have a stable mind, even though you have the idea. So really, for fuck, you're unbalanced. Yeah, you
Yes.
see the meds, right? So when people say,
Yes.
stop, say, husband, stop, say this mess, say, I made a bond and I make vows for better or for worse. And me and my husband have a bill and we're going to go through the good, the bad, and the ugly in it. So me as a stronger character, we're out there experience life more.
Very
And me have
good.
to be the one that put out the most effort because my husband is terrible and awful like the strength and that turbulence. So when me see my ad, I say, come here with from me go. You can't just give up because him say, well, him a run. So you have to try grab him back. So really have to for me proud of myself, Dove, because you know what?
Yes.
When me look
And
into
this is what
myself,
I'm saying. I'm proud of you to be that because listen to me, Queenie. Let
thank you.
ego and let other stuff. Remember now. You see, let me tell you something, Queenie. Nobody never say, do we want to do what he's doing? Nobody never wants to say, nobody can say, do we never want. Come on, listen to me. Nobody never wants to say him this, him that. Listen to me. Everybody have different things with them deal with, right up here, so. Everybody.
Yeah,
The man is
true.
a man of him own. Him have him strength and him also have him weakness. Sometimes if you're dealing with a
Amen.
good people
Truth.
or a good family or
Around
a
you,
good
your
group,
weakness can get the best
run
of you.
and watch
Thank you,
your
Dovey.
weakness kill you because a brethren there on a man in you have 4 brethren and 3. I say, yeah man, make sure. But then you have this
And
one
that's
sturdy brethren.
exactly what happened. That's exactly
Then,
what happened,
then you
Dovey.
have this one
And
sturdy brethren. What we say, brother, I'm gonna tell you this whole life. Rare, 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 rare. And a man will listen to that. Then when you have another female or maybe another friend or another fan, because someone of fan on forgive encouragement to the man top draw them down. When you see war go on,
hey,
you know people like
Dovey, you want to Dovey, cut remember where you got say, baby. You want to see some things that the girl them write to me and say, I say, them girl that tricky and unfair and sad and disgusting, man. It's my husband. So why not just want a man for the money and for be honey? So if something happening and now put phone no man. So what I gonna do? Bash me because me put on my foot for my husband. Me make a mistake as I think in myself, yeah? And a mistake, whatever happened was meant to be or happens. Because you know the
no.
wickedest thing out of the airport? Me hear people say, what's that name? Public stunt. You know the wickedest thing out of the airport, Dovey? When me
You didn't
watch
even
back
know
the
there was
camera, me say, Dovey, in my mind, me know say me the queen. And when it happen, but me not care because of the situation I am being myself. So me know some in a public place. But me not know say somebody actually I got video it fit reach to that. You trying me see that me said to my husband, say, me said, Dewey, how much time then send you? Nothing can happen worse than my private. We're out in the world. That's me. I go back down and I tell my husband and him lie down in the house. And when him read it from them, I go downstairs. They say, me say, you know, I go by internet, go answer them. Him say, no, crazy. Me say, yo, I go sit down and make these people abuse you and take away your energy and it come between me and you. And I went downstairs in the piece of that pigeon ear, you see. And me said, do that, Dovey. But I don't know. It's every time I watch back the video, oh, my class, it motivate me. It give me more strength to stand up for myself as a human being. Talk, baby,
yes.
talk. I don't want to get
Yes, because
irate.
no, nothing is wrong with what you're doing, Queenie. Because listen, even if people like to laugh, me love to laugh and me love the antics. Me love you with or without me love you. Me just love you. You know
Thank
for
you. And that me tell them.
with or
It's
without me,
my
I love you.
platform.
But I love y'all
Thank
together
you.
because it's like it don't just have to
It's a
like on the
different buzz when the
opposite.
two are together.
Yes, on the opposite, but then y'all together. And then this is what I said to one of my friends, you know, because I have a friend with the pan we're watching at everything, but I know oh she not up no, she probably asleep, she them peaches. And anytime you're pan live or anything I go with you, she call my phone for me know. And me go over there, and you know me turn to her and say, me say, you know, say I true people not understand Queenie. Mr. Peaches, they know some me think me have some Queenie DNA in me. And she start laugh. Your head chip where you not even realize you're so loud and attack
Sure.
certain stuff. I true nobody not catch you on camera for people to certain things. So I said that is so true because sometimes when certain things happen, you know you're in a public place, you know. But it's like you're not aware until after. So when I saw
Yes.
that, me understand. I remember so we loud naturally Queenie, so everything we do I go so loud.
I know wicked man I don't mean you know hear me now. That but me not everybody. Hey, me still get them W. Me saw a woman yesterday do on YouTube something yesterday. I think that me see it on me ear she said, oh she did like Queenie and Ray blah blah and she see my backs up do it. People can't lie, so which part of see me backs up doing at the video? No, tell me. Oh no, wicked and lie. I love attention more than me because if you go talk something we got some. Me no box up do it. Oh no, just love for the life sad. I'm afraid for talk and when me come out and say my life sad right now, my mother me don't glad. Oh no, don't appreciate it. But it's because of the life sad come. Me no box up my husband lie. Talk Dovy.
Yes. You never put your hand on him.
No,
I've never
it's just a confrontation like that. He might say back something to me and I get agitated. I may say, go man or whatever and him ease me off. Which one she see me back? So, he said, me see the woman say,